Hello student, welcome to School Quiz. My name is Pawan Gupta and I am your physics teacher. In this video I am going to discuss most important topic for term 1 CBSE class 10th. Okay, so what is our topic? Our topic is laws of reflection and you might will get 1 marks question in this topic. Okay, so let's start this topic. Laws of reflection. You already know about refraction. What is reflection? Bending of light. But here laws of reflection, there are two laws of reflection. What is first law? Incident ray, refracted ray and normal all lies in same plane. Okay, this is the case as similar or same to that in case of mirror, in case of reflection. Okay, this is also same in refraction also, that is incident ray, refracted ray and normal all lie in same plane. What is your second law? Second law is that angle of incidence and angle of refraction relates as sin I by sin r. This is equal to v1 and v2. I am going to draw or take an example so that you can understand it clearly. What is happening here, that suppose this is this is your incident ray. Okay, this is your incident ray and this is normal. So according to refraction will occur here. According to refraction, bending of light occur. Okay, this is medium 1, that is air, and this is your medium 2, that is glass. This is normal and this is angle of emergence. This is I, this is refraction and this is emergence, angle of emergence. So what is first law? That this is what incident ray and this is refracted ray and this is normal, all lie in same plane. Okay, this is your plane and all lie in same plane. What is second law? That angle of incidence means that this angle, that is this angle of incidence, and angle of refraction, we are talking about this angle of refraction. This relates as sin I by sin r. This is equal to v1 by v2, that is velocity of 1, that is air, and velocity of 2, that is glass. Okay, so this is all about laws of reflection. But here I am going to ask you one question, that you know refraction, that it is bending of light, but why refraction occur? What is our question? Why refraction occur? So what is the answer? That velocity of light, that is velocity of light is different. Velocity of light is different in different medium. Why refraction occur? Because in every material, velocity of light is different in different material. Okay, for example, this is your material, different material, and what is this? This is speed of light, or you can say velocity. In vacuum, we know that speed of light is 3 into 10 की power 8 meter per second, but in case of air it will become 2.9 into 10 की power 8 meter per second, and in case of glass your velocity will become 1.9 into 10 की power 8 meter per second. You see that this is the speed of light. Speed of light in vacuum is different, speed of light in air is different, and speed of light in glass is different. So in every material or in every medium, speed of light is different. This is the cause of your refraction. So come with our laws of reflection of a second case, that what we have here, we have sin I, this is equal to sin r. Okay, this is equal to sin I by sin r. This is equal to v1 by v2, that is velocity of air upon velocity of glass. Okay, now this is angle of what? Incidence. And I want to say that velocity of air and velocity of glass is a fixed quantity. Why? Because you know that this is what? Velocity of light in air, and we know that velocity of light in air is 2.9 into 10 की power 8, which is a fixed value. Okay, similarly, what is velocity of light? Velocity of light in glass is also, we know what is this? This is 1.9 into 10 की power 8, and again this is a fixed quantity. So if you change the value of I or R, if you incident, or if you make the angle of incident at a different angle, whatever you want, but this ratio is a fixed. this ratio is a constant. And why this ratio is constant? Because this value and this value is constant. So if you change the value of incidence or r, if you change this value or this value, but this value is independent of this value and it is always a constant, okay, and this constant is known as refractive index. Understand? Now this topic is finished and we are talking about refractive index. What is refractive index? Now, what is refractive index? Refractive index, this is what refractive index, it is noted by n, and this is equal to speed of light in vacuum upon speed of light in what? Medium. Again I am drawing diagram so that you can understand. This is incident ray, this is refracted, and this is your emergent ray, okay. So what is refractive index? It is a ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium, okay. This is all about refractive index. So suppose this is I, this is R, and this is E, and this is what? Refractive index. Refractive index is of two type. What is first? Absolute refractive index, and what is your second type? That is relative refractive. Refractive index is of two types: absolute refractive index and relative refractive index. What is absolute refractive index? Absolute refractive index is the refractive index of materials property, okay. Every materials has their different refractive index value. Suppose if your material is air, then the value of refractive index of air is 1.002, and if your material is water, then the refractive index will change. What is the refractive index of water? 1.33. And what is the refractive index of glass? 1.5. So what is your absolute refractive index? Absolute refractive index is the refractive index of material of its own property, okay. But what is relative refractive index? Here we compare the two refractive indexes. Here we compare the refractive index of two different medium. Suppose here first medium is your air, that is 1, and this is your glass, this is your medium 2. And if we so according to relative refractive index, that is what we are going to do here, that we compare the refractive index of air to that of glass. So what we get a refractive index of air upon refractive index of glass. This is what your relative refractive index. And if you expand this value, what we will get? We get a refractive index. What is the refractive index? That is C by V, that is V of air upon speed of light upon velocity in glass, okay. So C will get cancelled, and what you get? Vg by Va. This is all about your relative refractive index. But if you want to compare glass, relative refractive index of glass with respect to air, then how we will get? That is refractive index of glass with respect to air, then this is equal to Ng by Na, and this is similar to C by Vg upon C by VA. So this will get cancelled and we will get VA by VG. So this is all about your refractive index and relative refractive index. For numericals of regarding this topic, please go through our website, that is schoolquiz.com, and for MCQs please sign up.